Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Ford Fiesta key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having the right tools makes the process smooth and prevents damage. A well-lit area is also helpful for seeing the small components clearly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test your key fob with your Ford Fiesta to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.